In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upscale Nano Banana images up to 10K. We'll use Google Gemini's image tools to take a low-resolution photo and push it toward ultra-high detail while keeping everything looking natural and clean. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Google Gemini app. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all features. Once you're in, look for the Tools section in the interface and click it. This is where Gemini groups its creative and utility options. From there, choose Create Image. Even though we're working with an existing picture, this area also supports image-to-image enhancement. By default, Gemini may be set to fast. Switch that to thinking. Fast is great for speed, but thinking prioritizes reasoning and fidelity, which tends to produce better reconstruction and fine details during upscaling. After you switch, confirm you're actually in thinking mode so the model uses the more deliberate setting. Next, click the plus icon to attach your file. Choose Upload Files, then pick your low-resolution Nano Banana image from your computer. A quick tip here, use the cleanest original you have, even if it's small. Fewer compression artifacts in the input usually mean a more convincing upscale on the output. Also be sure you have the right to modify the image. Now click into the prompt area. This is where you tell Gemini exactly how to enhance the photo. Paste or type the following enhancement prompt to guide the model toward realistic, high-resolution results. Transform this image into highly photorealistic quality, as if captured by professional DSLR camera with prime lens. Apply natural lighting with accurate shadows and highlights. Add authentic real-world details, including natural skin texture with visible pores, organic surface imperfections, realistic fabric and material properties, proper depth of field with natural bokeh. Enhance with volumetric lighting, realistic color grading, sharp focus, and physical accuracy. Turn any blurry details into physical, meaningful details. Make the picture 10 to 20% brighter or more pop up. Output should appear indistinguishable from real professional photography, with all elements following real-world physics and natural appearance at maximum resolution. This prompt asks for maximum resolution and physically consistent detail, which is what helps push toward that 10K target. Keep in mind, the exact output size depends on the service's current limits, but this wording encourages Gemini to go as large and as sharp as it can. Finally, click Submit. Gemini will process the image and generate the enhanced version. Give it a moment, then review the result. If you want slightly different lighting or contrast, you can adjust the wording and submit again. And that's the full workflow for upscaling Nano Banana images toward 10K using Google Gemini.